different from the old now. He's the old guy in the show. In the 4122. Oh, guys, show. Please subscribe. Hello, everybody. Sorry for not making any new episodes or anything. You see, I've been dead for at least around 2 years, so. Oh yeah, so it's 2013. I'm gonna start making more episodes. But let's get started on the reason why I was not dead. I was dead yet. I was dead for all those years. I'm just walking down an alley, just doing my stuff. Oh no! You, oh gosh, I have to die. No, I don't want to die. No. But you see, when I was in the hospital, and, yeah, and then a nurse came and then tried to eat me back to life, so, yeah.
Oh, of course, so you're really high, it's gonna go and be some.
Oh, yeah, well, thanks. I really appreciate it. Oh, I feel better now. Yay! So, yeah, that's what happened when I was dead. So, I'm gonna try to make more episodes, and, bye. Hope you keep subscribing to my channel.